Hi and welcome into this new video. Today I'm sharing my healthy version of a street cart meal. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more of this kind of healthy and yummy recipes. My name is Miss Tora. I'm holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner, and I share recipe to help people build muscles, lose body fat, keep enjoying the food they love using minimal ingredients in order to get their health and wellness goal. Everything that I'll be using on this video will be on the description box below. I also get my ebooks available, my coaching program, and also my free guide to help people build a healthy plate. So please guys, don't forget to check the description box below. Let's start with this recipe. First step of this recipe is to make the yellow rice. So I'm starting to melt some butter in a pan, and once the butter is melted, I'm adding some turmeric, some Cajun seasoning, some rice. I did soak and wash my rice in advance. Now I mix the rice and the spices all together with the butter. To make it, to lower the calorie intake of the bowl, instead of adding too much rice, I will make a little bit of rice with some cauliflower rice. So I'm adding some cauliflower rice. Then I mix everything well to combine. Now I'm adding salt, pepper, and I mix everything well. I'm adding 1 large cup of water. And I'm adding a bay leaf, but that's optional. And now I cover and I let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to make our ground turkey. So I'm starting by slicing a half of an onion. So in a pan, I'm adding some butter, and I add my onion. I add a little bit of garlic, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. And then I'm adding my ground turkey. I mix the ground turkey with the garlic and onions. Now it's time to add my seasoning. I'm adding some Cajun seasoning, some ginger powder, paprika, salt, some pepper, I'm adding some coriander, and then I mix everything well to combine. Once I mix everything well, I'm adding some tomato paste into the ground turkey. Mix it well one more time. And then I just leave the ground turkey for 5 more minutes. And then here's my rice. My rice is fully cooked. So now it's time to make the sauce. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. I'm adding some apple cider vinegar, but you can also add some lemon if you want. Then I'm adding some dry coriander, some garlic powder, salt and pepper, and I mix everything well for my sauce. And I also add some water as well, a few drops of water to make it more smooth. And here is the final result once I add a little bit of water. Now it's time to build my plate, so I'm starting by chopping up some romaine lettuce. I'm cutting some tomatoes. In a plate, I'm adding my rice, my yellow cooked rice. Then I add my ground turkey. It's full of flavors. Then I add some of my romaine lettuce. Then I add my tomatoes and I just pour the sauce on top. And here is the final result. My cart style, street style food made at home, healthier, lower in calorie, high in protein. So as always, you can keep enjoying the food that you love and reaching the goals that you aim for. So don't think because you need to lose body fat, you need to lose weight, you have to eat plain food that you don't like. You need to choose the right ingredients to make your favorite recipe. I hope you guys did like this video and you're gonna make this recipe at home. I live in New York and we have a lot of street carts who sell a lot of rice, chicken over rice. So I try to make the same things but a bit more healthier for me to reach my goals. Then I share this recipe with you guys. It's really simple. I get like instead of chicken I use some turkey. I keep the same spice they're using. For the yellow rice I just added the cauliflower, so I'm still having the rice but I also have more veggies with the cauliflowers, so I'm eating less rice, so the bowl is getting like less in calorie, I would say. And I had some veggies and that's it. So it's a quick and easy recipe. You can also meal prep that if you want and just have a little bit during the week as well. Everything that I'll be using is on the description box below, so please guys don't forget to go and check. You get my coaching programs, my ebooks, and also my free guides. Hope you guys did like that video and I will gonna see you again for a next video. Bye.